Welcome back to Frederica Nation. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have a wonderful DIY that I got going on and I have to share it with you all. It wouldn't be not even like fun to even not like include y'all into this DIY project, but I have to do this. Okay, so I got an Ikea inspired vanity table set that I am doing y'all out of, guess what, you all? Gift bags from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I'm using these gift bags that I am recreating vanity table set all over with gift bags, and also some trimming that I've the rhinestone trimming that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree. And of course, you're going to need a hot glue gun and some E6000. These are actually, I turned them upside down. These are actually hooks that you could hook your keychain on or something like that by your door, and I'm using them as knobs for this vanity table set. And as you can tell, I'm not done because it's still white, but I'm recreating and I'm giving it a IKEA look, y'all, like out of the gift bags. Yes, I got a whole bunch of these gift bags, and I said, you know what, I am a Barbie on a budget, and it is what it is, and I'm finna hook this thing up. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you how to do what I do. So you guys, it's really simple. All you have to do is cut these bags out to the size of the drawers. And also I did the side of it, and it's not finished yet, but I am working on it, and you all are going to stay tuned with me, right? You're going to stay tuned with me so I can show you how to do what I do. So what I did was cut these bags out. I cut them out. Okay, I broke the bags down because you don't want to waste no product. Okay, so I cut these bags out, and I'm just literally out the shape of the drawers in what I see for this vanity set here. I'm not using the measuring tape or anything like that. I'm pretty much eyeballing it. So if you're not a good eyeballer, I suggest you to like measure out the pieces that you're going to use and do it from there. And so what you're going to do, I'm cutting this one out right now. I'm cutting this piece out because I literally eyeballed how much I'm going to need for this area here. And so I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to size it up, okay? I'm going to size it up, and I went a little too short. But it's okay because I can cut another piece and I can fix it up. And then for the side here, I'm going to cut just a little bit off. Just a little bit off. Because I still want it to go around and fit like it's supposed to. Then I'm going to take some E6000. E6000, put a little bit on there. Okay, a little bit of E6000 so it can stay even after the hot glue dries up. And I got my hot glue gun, and I'm going to put some hot glue on this so it can stick immediately. But I ran out of glue, so let me put another stick in here. Okay, and this is just what it is. And you don't need much. You don't need much. Okay? And so then what you're going to do is just like literally put it on there carefully. Okay? And then you put it around. Okay? And if you don't want your end to be tacky, do what I did. I had used some on the edge here so it won't look all messed up. Yeah, this is pretty much how